Don't hate me for saying this, but after losing 5 stone, I'm going to say weight loss is easy. However, maintaining and getting that final bit towards your target is a different thing. So let's hear what I'm doing about it, and maybe you might be able to help me. Well, it's been 7 days since my last confession, and I've weighed in. As those of you that watched last week will have known that I gained £5 at the Isle of Wight festival, and I enjoyed every ounce. But seriously, I wasn't particularly great last week, but I didn't overindulge and stepped on the scales this morning, and bang, I've lost £5, which goes to show what I said last week about rapid weight gain not being a problem because it's usually water. But I'm having another issue now. The lowest I've ever been is 14.5 stone. The highest I've ever been is 23 stone. Jesus, that was big. However, when I started this journey, I was just shy of 20. Currently kicking in at 15 stone 6, which for someone that was nearly 20 stone isn't too bad. However, I have been nearly a stone lighter. I'll be honest, when I got there, I didn't stay there long. But I do know that I am struggling with the maintenance and getting that last push. Now, you could argue that maybe the last 6 months have been a bit of a coast. You could even call it a diet break. I'm actually £4 heavier than I was 6 months ago. I am lighter than I was a year ago, but you'd bloody expect me to be after 77 weeks of being a weight loss influencer. But all joking aside, I'm happy where I'm at. I've thrown out all my big clothes. I've got nothing in my wardrobe that doesn't fit, but I have got a couple of items that are a bit tight, and I've still got a bit of a belly. Life is good. I'm going to the gym. I'm aiming for 3 times a week, but I'm definitely making once a week when I meet my personal trainer, and maybe 1 or 2 others. And at 56 years old, I'm probably the healthiest I've been in the last 30 years. So life is good, but I'm still not 100% happy. What I am happy with, I'm still tracking every week. Some weeks I am just entering a random number, but what has really helped is the knowledge I've gained over the last 77 weeks. Is I know roughly when something is too many calories, or I know the value of the food. So it's all good. Are you having problems maintaining? Are you having problems getting that last bit off? Share your hints with me. I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to get back to hardcore tracking. I generally, Monday to Friday, I pre-prepare my breakfast and lunch. It's the evening meal and the snacks and the cheeky trip to Greg's on the way to work that are messing me up. So hopefully, when I get on to next week, I might be reporting a loss. I'm not 100% sure I will be, but I will definitely be reporting that I'm back in the zone. But do give us your tips. I'm keeping these short because I haven't got a lot to say because I'm not really in the zone at the moment. But I am going to ramp it up soon, and there's going to be loads of guides. But it would be hypocritical of me to say do this, do that, when I'm not doing it myself. So thanks ever so much for watching. I'm happy with that. And if you want to see other stuff I'm doing, whip on over to my travel channel, because that's doing quite well. See you soon.